So excited to open this! So hi guys, my name's Amelia, I hope you're all doing well. So in today's video, I'm very excited because I have received my first ever Glossybox. I've wanted to get a subscription box for ages, but I just never knew which one to get, and so I always started researching it, and then in the end just thought, forget it, I'm not getting one. I signed up to this box because I looked at YouTube and looked at other people's videos all from last year to have a look at the type of products that they got in their box and see whether it was stuff that I would use, and it definitely is. And you always get, I think it's 5 products worth over £50. So the price of the box, I've saved this because I keep saying the price of the box wrong. You can get a 12-month subscription and it's £11.75 a month, but I don't think you can cancel it because it's a 12-month subscription. Or you can get a 1-month rolling subscription, which is what I've done, and it's £13.25 a month. And they're both free postage, and with the £13.25 one you can cancel it at any time, you're not tied in for a year. So I am going to share with you what is in my January box, what products I've got and what I think of them and whether I think it is worth the money. So first off, it does come in this black box that says Glossybox on it, but I think there's another box inside of this because I've watched people's videos online and normally the package looks quite nice. Okay, yeah, so it actually comes in this pink box, which I think is really cute, and then it comes with the, ooh, it's like what's in a misguided order. I'm not gonna lie, normally I just throw all that stuff away and I never use it, so I don't really care about that stuff. So I'm just gonna show you what is inside. Watch everything just fall out as I open this. Oh, so it's actually packaged really nicely. That's really cute, isn't it? I feel like that looks really premium to say it's only, what, just over £10 a month. So it comes with this little leaflet that says the power of beauty on it. And then down here it says revival. So I think that every month is like a different theme. So for January it's revival. Ah, okay, so this tells you all the products that are in your glossy box for the month. So I'm not going to look at that because I don't want to ruin it. Then it's packaged nicely like this, and we've got this cute little sticker. I love the way this is presented. It feels really, really nice. Okay, so time to have a look at what we've got. First things first, we have FB Med Plus. I don't know if that is the brand or not. I don't know if I'm getting very confused. It says it in the top right. Hand sanitizer gel, alcohol-based hand sanitizer, blah de blah de blah, kind to skin, moisturising, dermatologically tested, aloe vera and vitamin E. So let's have a look in our little guide of what's in here. Okay, so this is the final item it says, and this is full size, and RRP is £2.72 it says, and then it also puts a website of where this is from and the brand so that you can get it yourself, which is quite nice. It's actually called Your Sanitizer, it's not called FB Med Plus, so ignore me. Okay, so next up is St. Luxe Brow Gel. This looks really nice, this packaging. Looks really nice. It doesn't say that it has a colour on it, it just says brow gel, so... Oh, this is what it looks like. It's actually like a normal size brow gel, I think. Yeah, it is full size. St. Luxe Beauty. RRP is £16. That's quite expensive for a brow gel. Oh, it's clear. That's quite good. I actually don't have any brow gel on now, so we could actually just put a little bit on. I actually really like that. It's a great product. I'm very happy with that. Next up, we have Beauty Pro Avocado Infused Sheet Mask. I mean, you can't go wrong with a sheet mask really, can you? So that's full size, obviously you're not going to have half a face of a sheet mask, but that would be quite funny. RRP £4.95, the brand is Beauty Pro, and it says nourishing to skin, plant-based, protects the skin from elements and reduces appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Okay, that's good, I'm happy with that one. Okay, so we have Mud Masky. Okay, I'm assuming it's a mud mask. Is it? Serum infused eye mask. Ooh, that's quite interesting. I actually don't have and never have used an eye mask before, so that's quite cool. And that's what this looks like. It's like a really decent size as well. I think this is full size, and it says it reduces dark circles, puffy eyes, fine wrinkles, dry skin and swelling. Okay, so that's really weird because it's not in this leaflet. So I don't know whether they've given me this by accident, but I'll show you so you can see. That's not actually anywhere on this leaflet. Must have put it in by, oh, I think I can see what's happened. One of the things that's meant to be in here isn't in here, and it's a facial massage tool. So this pink, I don't know if you can see this pink thing here is a facial massage tool, and that's meant to be in here and it's not. So I guess that they've replaced it with this mud masky eye mask, which to be honest I think is a bit rubbish in my opinion, because they've replaced something that actually is never going to like run out, because it's a physical product that doesn't deteriorate with a mask that obviously is going to run out after a few uses. So that's the only thing so far that is a bit like not very impressed with that. Next up we have a moisturizing serum which is fragrance free, and we love that. Oh, and it's vegan, which is good. So that's what this looks like. I think this might be full size. A lot of my serums are actually in a really small bottle, but that's only because I get the cheapest one. So this is by the brand eCooking. That's a strange name for a beauty brand. And RRP price is £22.50 for this, which is 10ml. For full size it's £45. It says that this is deluxe mini, so it's not full size, which you can understand. Description is perfect for all ages and skin types. Serum gives your skin a moisture boost, locks in skin's natural moisturizer, provides a kick of hydration, reduce appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, ensure your skin looks youthful and radiant. Very nice. Okay, so the final thing that I have is daily reusable rounds. So that is what this package looks like. So it's basically cotton pads that you can reuse, I guess. They feel really, really soft. Like, they do feel really soft. I think that, I don't know how I feel about this, just because if you have a full face of makeup on, I'm going to need more than 2 of these to take on my makeup off. And it says that they are machine washable, so I guess that's really good that there's not going to be any waste. So it says these rounds are vegan and reusable. You don't have to worry about running out of materials to take your makeup off. The other thing about that is you'd have to buy a few, because if you wear makeup every day, you're obviously going to have to wash them every single day, which I don't know. I don't do a wash every day. I don't know about you, but that could be a bit annoying. So that's by a company called Body Wellness Beauty, and the RRP is £6.80. So that was everything that was in my first ever glossy box. I am happy with it, and I think that you do get a lot of really good stuff in it. I am just a bit disappointed that they obviously missed an item out, because they must have either ran out or it was a mistake, which I think is, I don't know, you just don't expect that really, do you? You expect to just get what you've paid for. I'll definitely use all of the things that have come in the box, apart from, to be honest, I don't really think I'll use the reusable cotton rounds. I might give them a try, but yeah, I can't see that being something I'm going to use regularly. It's that the products in this box are worth over £95. That is a lot of money to say you're going to pay either £11 or £13 and you get £95 worth of products. Let me know what you think if you have a subscription and what you thought of this month. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I think I'll start doing a monthly Glossybox haul review thing, so I can show you guys everything that I've got. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.